God!
Abject poverty, less than $2 a day. Today, not just the United States, the entire world is less than 10% live on $2 a day. Constant dollars, controlling for inflation. We went from 98% to less than 10%. AI is going to...
Confirmation yesterday.
Oh, okay, cool. Hey! Stop! Stop!
Lucky, what's going on, baby? So sweet. What the hell? Dude! You are in the middle of oncoming traffic.
What the f is that?
What the f? Whoa! What the f? What the f? What is she doing? And she's turning left. You can't even turn left there. What the f? What is happening? What the f? What the f? What's the bus about to do? What the f? I'm just being annoying to people, which is fine because it is forcing them to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, at least like pay attention.
Half a second. Jesus Christ.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh my God. Where the f are people?
That's engine braking. Ooh, that was an accident.
Wait, what?
Someone cut in front of the semi.
You like to drink cold beer, premium hand-rolled cigars from the finest makers in the world, even private lockers that are available if you choose to. Perfect for date nights or business meetings and live music every Friday night. Family owned and operated. Check him out in
God damn it! Mother... Don't worry, it's
Oh no.
For Helping Hands for Single Moms.
A new Diamond Arabians Desert Diamond Casino White Tanks is now open. An atmosphere sparkling with
Dude,
excitement and
what the fuck?
It looked like she was well on her way to the top. A technically credible founder, recognizable brand partnerships, venture backing, and industry recognition.
911 emergency.
Hey, I just saw an accident on Montgomery between a white